Hello students, now today we will do the questions of exercise self practice 4a, that is the power and exponents. Okay, now see the first question number 1. In this question we have to complete the table and see the one has done for us, in which that is the 1a that is the expression is 2 to the power 8, 2 to the power 8. Now in this question the base is what? 2. The base is 2 and the exponent is 8. The expression is 2 to the power 8, in which the base is 2 and the exponent is 8. What is its meaning? 2 to the power 8 means that multiply the base itself, that is the 2, the base is 2, multiply the base itself 8 times. So we are going to multiply this 2 itself 8 times. 2 multiply, here dot means multiply, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. See 1 2 3 4 5 6 multiply 2 7 multiply 2. See 8 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So the value of the 2 to the power 8 is 256. So when you multiply this you will get the value 256. That is done. See how? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64, 64 to the 128, 128 to the 256. Okay. Similarly, we do the question B. B is that minus 12 to the power 3. See what? Minus 12 to the power 3. The base is minus 12. The exponent is 3. And what is its meaning? Meaning means the base is itself multiplied. The base is itself multiplied 3 times. Here in this question the base is minus 12 and the exponent is 3. This means the base is itself multiplied 3 times. Base is itself multiplied the number of exponent times or the number of power times. So whatever the power on the base, to that number of times we multiply the base itself. So minus 12 will be multiplied by itself 3 times. That is minus 12 multiply minus 12 multiply minus 12. Now see the same number minus 12 is multiplied 3 times. See what you will get the product. Since base is negative and power is odd, so the value will be negative. Yes, the answer we are going to get the negative. And what will be the result? 12 12s are 144 and 144 12s are. So we multiply 144 by 12 and we can find the result. 144 by 12. 12 4s are 48, carry 4, 12 4s are 48, 4 52, 2 carry 5, 12 1s are 12, 5 17. That is 1728. So minus 1728. Okay, so what you are going to get the value minus 1728. See 12 4s are 48, 8 carry 4, 12 4s are 48, 4 52, 2 carry 5, 12 1s are 12, 5 17. That is 1728. Similarly we do the question number C. That is minus 3 by 4. See the question number C, that is minus 3 by 4 to the power 4. Minus 3 by 4 to the power 4. Here in this question the base is minus 3 by 4 and the exponent is 4. What does it mean? That base will be itself multiplied by 4 times. Means the same base will be multiplied by the base, but how many number of times you have to multiply? That is the exponent number of times. So whatever the exponent is there, to that number of times we multiply the base itself. So minus 3 by 4, meaning minus 3 by 4 multiplied minus 3 by 4 multiplied minus 3 by 4 multiplied minus 3 by 4. See, the base is itself multiplied minus 3 by 4. 4 times, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Now since the base is negative and the power is even, so we are going to get the value positive. Base negative, power even, value will be positive. Base negative, power odd, value will be negative. So here minus minus plus, again minus minus plus. Now plus multiply plus gives you the plus. So here you will get the product plus. Now see what will the value. When you multiply 4 times, 3 3 is a 9 and 3 is a 27, 27 is a 81. So here I am going to get 81. 4 4 is a 16, 16 4 is a 64 and 64 4 is a, that is the 256. Sixty-four fours are 250, 64 fours are 60, 4 6 are 24, 125, 256. Okay, so the result will be the 81 upon 256. That is the positive. The answer is positive. Answer is the positive plus. Similarly, we do the question D. Minus 5 by 7. Similarly, we do the D. And the power is 3. Again you see, the base is negative and power is odd. So the value will be the negative only. Now here the base is minus 5 by 7. And the exponent is 3. Meaning multiply minus 5 by 7 3 times. Multiply the base itself 3 times. So what will the value? Value is negative, base negative, power odd, value will be the negative. So minus minus plus, again plus minus minus. So the result is negative minus. Now 5 5 is 25, 5 is 125. Here 7 7 is 49, 49 7 is 343. So 49 7 is 343. That is 7 9 is 63. 3 remainder 6 or 7 4 is 26 34. That is minus 125 upon 343. Okay. So now we move to this second question. Write in exponential form. Some questions are given. Now we move to the second question. Okay. Now see the second question. Write in exponential form. Second A. Second A. Written 15 multiply 15. So we have to write this in the exponential form. See here, the same number is multiplied how many times? 2 times. So the number of times, if any number is multiplied, that is the exponent, means power. So 2 is the exponent, and which number is multiplied? The base. So the same number 15 is the base. So base is itself always in the exponents. So base is multiplied by itself by the certain number of times, and that certain number of times is the exponent. So here base is multiplied to itself, see, 2 times. So that is the 15 to the power 2. What you can write in exponent form? 15 to the power 2. Similarly, you see the B, minus 9, minus 9, minus 9. Next question, B, minus 9, multiply, minus 9, multiply, minus 9. Now see, the base is minus 9, base is minus 9, and see how many times this base is multiplied. 1, 2, 3. So the exponent will be 3, minus 9 to the power 3. So we can write this minus 9 to the power 3. Next, C is written 29. So it is only one times it is multiplied. So this you can write 29 to the power 1. 29 to the power 1. Now D you see, minus 5 by 7, minus 5 by 7, minus 5 by 7. It is multiplied 4 times. Minus 5 by 7, multiplied minus 5 by 7, multiplied minus 5 by 7. Again multiplied minus 5 by 7. So in this question, the base is minus 5 by 7. The base is minus 5 by 7. And this base is multiplied by itself. You can see how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this base minus 5 by 7 is multiplied by itself 4 times. So the exponent will be 4. Exponent will be 4. Okay. Similarly, you can do the question E also. In the question E, the number minus 8 is multiplied 10 times. It is written minus 8 multiply minus 8 multiply minus 8 and dot 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 10 times. So in this question, the base is minus 8. The base is minus 8 and it is multiplied how many times? It will 10 times. So the answer will be in exponent form, minus 8 to the power 10. The base is minus 8 and number of times will be the exponent. So this base is multiplied by itself 10 times. So the answer will be minus 8 to the power 10. Okay. So this is all for today, students. So tomorrow in the next class we will do the remaining part of this exercise self practice 4a. Thank you for your attention.